Single arm bent over land mini row. This is a different exercise that target the upper back, lats and real deltoid as well as the bicep muscle and help improve the involutor strength and balance. Hold the land mini barbell with the one hand as shown in the video and then stand up, keeping your hips on the bed and back straight. Then pull the barbell upward toward your hips and then squeeze the back muscle. Then bringing it downward with the control, and similarly you have to perform it with the other hand also. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions with both hands. Wide grip lat pull down. Develop a wider and V-taper back and improve grip strength. Sit on the lat pull down machine and hold the bar with the grip wider than shoulder width apart, keeping your back straight and chest up. Pull the bar down toward your upper chest with control form and then bringing the bar upward while controlling the speed. Stretch the lat muscle. Perform 3 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions. Incline dumbbell row. Target lats, upper back muscle and improve posture of the upper body. Holding a dumbbell in both hands, lean down on an incline bench with chest supported and let your arms hanging straight down, keeping your elbow close to the body. Pull the dumbbell upward and hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. Squeeze the back muscle, then bringing the dumbbell back downward. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Standing cable low row. Allow for a constant tension on the back muscle. Target the lower and middle back, lats, real deltoid and bicep muscle. Attach the straight bar handle or V-bar handle to the lowest lock of the cable machine. Stand at a short distance from the machine with your feet shoulder width apart and hold the handle with both hands, keeping your chest up and squeeze your back muscle. Pull the handle toward your lower abdominal, then slowly bringing the handle to the starting position. Perform 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Single arm machine row. You can perform it with the one hand or with both hands together, but performing with the one hand allow you to stretch and squeeze the back muscle most. Sit on the machine with chest supported and hold the handle with one hand, keeping your back straight. Pull the handle and hold it for 1 second. Squeeze your back muscle, then slowly bringing the handle to the starting position. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions with both hands and increase the weight after each set. Pull-ups. One of the best bodyweight exercise for build back strength and muscle mass, improve grip and overall upper body strength. Hang from the pull-ups bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart and pull yourself up until your chin is over the bar. Then with the control, bringing yourself to the starting position. You can also perform this exercise as a daily warm-up so that your overall upper body can be grow faster. Try to do 3 sets of this and as many repetitions as you can.